Hey everybody, Jason here. Just in case you're wondering why your portfolio just dropped within the matter of minutes, huge drop. Um, I went from, let's see, I was like positive 3,600, now down 4 grand. The reason for this is your president just proposed a huge increase on capital gains tax. So from 20 to I believe it's 56%. So that's huge tax increases, huge implications for a lot of large companies and traders who make a lot of money. Anyhow, just wanted to put that out there real quick. I'm sure a lot of people are looking at their portfolio and going, what in the heck just happened? So most everything, I believe, Tesla's reacting. Yeah, everything reacted to it. So that's why. So we'll see. I just made a quick play on that in case you're wondering what I'm doing. I grabbed a few weekly UVXY $5 calls on that, bought them for $9, about 10 of them. So small little play, just on the volatility that we will probably see here real quick. I'm sure we'll be talking about this later today. You'll probably see a bunch of news on it. Anyhow, just want to let you guys know. All right, love you. Make a lot of money and consult a CPA because get ready to pay some taxes.